How to change WhatsApp wallpaper in iPhone. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application WhatsApp is up to date. If not, you can head over to your App Store and then update it to the latest version. Once you have the latest version of the app, open it. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in here, head over to Settings at the bottom right corner of the screen and then move into Chats. At the very top, head over to Chat Wallpaper and then tap on Choose Dark Mode Wallpaper. It will open up this page. Different theme of background will be visible to you. If you want to add default background, click on Default Wallpaper and then click on Set. And if you want to add the background picture from your gallery, then head over to Photos and then move into the picture that you want to add it as a background. Let's say I want to add this one. Click on it. Now you can adjust this picture by zoom in or zoom out. Once you are done, tap on Set at the bottom right corner. Now in here, you will be able to adjust the brightness, set according to your need. Once it's done, you can go back and head over to any of the inbox. And there you go, you can see that the background has been changed. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can change WhatsApp wallpaper in iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.